shots, but this is 2 hours of eye candy.
Yep.
And then flipping the bird.
So funny. Yeah, no, I'd love to stay, but my wife's already called me a couple times. I'm gonna have to go here soon. I don't watch a lot of TV. I wish I had the time. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I got a custom installation in a living room. This is a living room theater system. I'm gonna take you through the space and just show you some of the cool little features about it. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, check it out. Honestly, if you are a videophile, it does not get any better than this. This is super unique. If you check it out, this right here is a sliding glass door that is covered up with a drop-down Screen Innovations motorized Slate 1.2 gain screen. This is an ambient light rejecting screen, which is why you're getting this incredible color pop and brightness whenever we have tons of light in the space. It's producing just beautiful imaging. I mean, look at that. It's like a TV on your wall. And then we have the JVC RS3000, looking beautiful. This is not only a native 4K projector, but this is doing 8K E-shift. If you guys remember, a few years back, JVC was dominating the E-shift market and 1080p upscaling to 4K. Well, basically what they did was take that technology and threw it into 8K now. So this is upscaling, pixel shifting to 8K. So you're just getting extra sharpness, over the top, crazy color pop. Look at that, unbelievable. And then from a speaker standpoint, he's just running a 4.1. Everything's terminating over here. Got your Blu-ray, cable, Apple TV, amplifier, and this amp's actually driving a couple outdoor patio speakers, which I'll show you here shortly. Pretty badass, if you ask me. All right, guys, so I'm gonna bring the homeowner in and he's gonna show you around the space.
Hey, Zach. So I'm Chris. I'm with JVC. I'm National Product Training Manager. And so I'm a projector guy, but I don't necessarily have a projector house. So what I wanted to do, the best place to watch a projector in this house, we decided a while back, was this room. And originally I would get a projector in on alone, and I would put a big old bed sheet up where the sliding glass door is, and the family had movie night. Eventually the opportunity happened to actually make the projector installation permanent. So I made this custom enclosure here.
I love this. This looks really clean. Like
actually,
it's literally.
I didn't make it, I designed it.
Well, it literally looks like it's part of the house.
Yeah.
You did a beautiful job on this.
And the important thing is these projectors need a lot of airflow. So if you look on the back on most of the JVC D-ILAs, the intake is on the back.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Big old vent cover here, and this is all open.
Nice.
So there's good airflow coming into the back. And obviously the front is not blocked, so we have no problem.
I was wondering how hot that got in there. That's genius.
This is essential.
That is so smart.
Yeah, this is essential.
I love it.
So the airflow is excellent, but it doesn't look just like a projector hanging in the room. And this is a living room. And I can't even begin to tell you how many times, you know, I've had people walk in when we're in living room mode and they wonder, you know, where's your home theater? And that's because the screen
This is so cool.
So push a button and it's the magic roll-up big TV. And again,
Now-
Screen Innovations.
Let me cut you off for just a second. Now, I think you were about to say what I was going to say. This is projecting onto your wall. That was projecting onto a Screen Innovation Slate 1.2 for all you guys out there that are wondering if it's worth it.
Absolutely. This Slate screen is an amazing product. And now we can open up the blinds and we're back to kind of a normal living room and, you know, sliding glass door, and we can go outside if we want.
Beautiful Colorado weather.
There you go.
Loving it.
So, anyhow, the thing that
Got
makes
some
us cool.
speakers out here.
We do have the other speakers under the deck there,
Very nice.
and I am working on a rear projection idea so I can switch the JVC into a rear projection mode and actually project onto a projection surface that would be attached to the sliding glass door. But we'll save that for another time.
That'll be dope.
Okay, so let's talk about the RS3000 in a room like this. And some people might wonder if that's, you know, necessary. And you know what? It absolutely provides a better picture. Over the years, I've had just about every JVC projector on the screen at some point. And I can tell you without question, the RS3000 throws the best picture we've ever had in this room.
I mean, you've had about every JVC unit there is out there. Check this out. I got to show the people. Look at this thing. When I first walked into the house and I was like, what is that?
JVC 2. That is, you've heard of picture in picture. Well, that's picture outside of picture.
It's awesome.
So, back to the RS3000 though. So the first thing that I noticed is the incredible sharpness and clarity. That lens and that 8K shift on this screen, just the detail that it gives you is stunning. And then the cinema filter here. We have either wide or normal. And the wide gives you the best color rendition. It's actually an optical filter that slides into the optical path, and it gives you 100% of the DCI color space. And where you see that is just in more varied shades of red, green, blue. And it just, everything has that extra degree. This looks just like real. It looks like you're looking out the window here.
Yeah, absolutely. This is better than real life.
So kind of to wrap up, you know, a projector like this, the color purity that you get and the realistic color and the brightness is more than adequate. And Zach, pan around and show just, you know, all the lights we got in the room.
There's one or two.
And then the absolute sharpness and clarity of that 8K shift, combined with the SI screen, the JVC SI 8K experience. It's just amazing in this room.
It's pretty awesome. It's hard to beat. Do you need one? I think so. All right, guys, well, that concludes my overview of this custom installation of the RS3000 with the Slate 1.2 Screen Innovation ALR screen. I mean, this is just a killer combo. If you are a videophile, if you love a really nice picture and a big screen experience, this is hard to beat. I mean, absolutely beautiful imaging. If you guys would like to purchase, make sure to give us a call, reach out and show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee on everything that we sell. We really appreciate it, guys. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, Chris with JVC. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.